Okay, welcome back everybody to video number 10 of this RevuIQ tutorial and demonstration. My name is Jeff. I'm the creator and developer of RevuIQ. And in today's video, I wanted to do yet again another real-world use case scenario in which you can use RevuIQ to quickly find what's important to you when evaluating anything that happens to be on Google, any locations. And I thought a fun one to do this week would be Home Depot versus Lowe's. And what I would really like to know is who has the better tools. So RevuIQ can quickly help us do that. So let's get started. First thing we want to do is hit the toggle compare two places button. And then, so there is a Home Depot and a Lowe's right across the interstate in Meridian, Idaho, close to where I live. So I thought those would be perfect examples to use in this test. So the first one is Home Depot on Progress Ave in Meridian. Oh, probably should add Idaho. You don't always have to include the street. You don't always have to include all the information, but I know that it doesn't hurt. So the more details, the more of the address you can provide. Even if you want to add commas, you can do that. And the second one is, so again, back to the details, I'm going to add the address number just so that we get the right locations. And also in Meridian. Okay, so now that we have both of those entered, we hit the compare two places button. It's going to go extract the first page of reviews from Google for both of these locations, package it together with a special prompt that's going to help it to analyze any business that gets sent. And here in just a few seconds, we're going to have the answer. And here it is. Now again, the blue is just a decoy prompt. This is not what was actually sent. This just gives an overall summary of what you can expect when you scroll down. And so we have, when comparing the reviews from the Home Depot and Lowe's Home Improvement, we can draw some intriguing insights regarding customer satisfaction, service quality, and product offerings at each location. Overall ratings and customer satisfaction, the Home Depot has an average rating of 4.5 from a total of 8 reviews. Most reviews reflect positive experiences, with customers praising the service provided by staff members. So Lowe's Home Improvement, on the other hand, boasts a higher average rating of 4.9, also from 8 reviews. The reviews suggest a consistent level of customer satisfaction and several mentions of helpful staff. Key differences in product, service, and atmosphere. Home Depot reviews highlight a strong emphasis on personalized customer service. Lowe's Home Improvement reviews, while less descriptive, repeatedly emphasize helpfulness, unique strengths and weaknesses. The Home Depot, personalized service. Customers frequently mention staff going out of their way to assist. Variety of products. Mention of a good selection of items indicates a well-stocked inventory. Some reviews lack detailed feedback. Lowe's home improvement strengths: high customer satisfaction, consistent helpfulness, notable patterns in recent reviews. Both locations display a trend of customers appreciating the staff's willingness to assist. However, the Home Depot's reviews highlight specific employees and their actions. Overall comparison summary. So this could be a close call. We'll see how RevuIQ decides the winner here. Overall comparison summary: the Home Depot average rating 4.5. Lowe's Home Improvement average rating 4.9. Overall winner: Lowe's Home Improvement engages as the overall winner in this comparison with a higher average rating of 4.9 and consistent positive feedback regarding staff helpfulness. It seems to create a more universally satisfying shopping experience. So in conclusion, while both locations have their unique strengths, Lowe's Home Improvement higher rating and consistent emphasis on helpfulness give it the edge in customer satisfaction. So that's interesting. One thing I do wonder about is if any of the reviews mention anything about products. So, but let's just ask, who has the better tools? So this could be a tough one, but let's see how RevuIQ handles this. If the reviews don't mention it, I don't know what it's going to say, but we will find out here soon enough. When it comes to tools, both the Home Depot and Lowe's Home Improvement offer a vast selection, but customer reviews provide some insights into which location might have the edge in this category. Okay, interesting. The Home Depot product variety. Several reviews highlight the Home Depot's extensive range of tools. One customer mentioned the selection of power tools is unmatched, pointing to the variety available for both DIY enthusiasts and professional contractors. Quality brands. Reviewers frequently mention well-known brands available at the Home Depot, such as DeWalt and Milwaukee. One review noted, "I found everything I needed, especially from the top brands." Customer assistance. A review mentioned that staff members like Alex were particularly helpful in guiding customers to the right tools. This indicates not only a good product selection, but also support in making the right choice. Lowe's Home Improvement. Quality and availability. Reviews indicate that Lowe's also carries a strong selection of tools. Customer feedback. Helpful staff. Conclusion. Both the Home Depot and Lowe's Home Improvement have strong offerings in the tools department, but there are some distinctions. The Home Depot appears to have a slight edge in terms of the variety of brands and specific product selection, particularly for power tools. The customer feedback about the unmatched selection is a strong indicator that they may cater more to those looking for a broader array of options. Lowe's Home Improvement, while also offering a solid selection, seems to excel in pricing and overall customer satisfaction with the tools they provide. The positive remarks about affordability could make this location more appealing for budget-conscious shoppers. Now, I think that just nailed both of those brands in one paragraph. So I'm impressed with that. In summary, if variety and brand selection are critical, the Home Depot might be the better choice, whereas Lowe's Home Improvement could be more favorable for those seeking competitive pricing along with good quality. Well, I was hoping that it would give us a clear winner, but I do think that it clearly was able to identify and extract and summarize both of the brands of the Home Depot and Lowe's. I think if you want a wide variety, a broad and deep selection of tools, I think you're going to go to the Home Depot. And if you want affordable quality tools, I think you're going to go to Lowe's. And let me know down below if you agree with that. But remember, we can always go back to the reviews tab. Here it's actually going to show both locations side by side. If it has this blue text bubble here, it means there's a management response. It doesn't look like the Home Depot is responding, but Lowe's is. So, you know, a lot of people think that's a good sign. But that's going to complete today's video. Thanks for joining me. If you have any ideas for more of these AI review battles, please leave them down below. If you want to run these and do these yourself, the RevuIQ app is available on the iOS store. It is free. It does come with 3 free lookups, and singular and comparison lookups both cost 1 lookup. So you can do either or. The benefit of doing a single location search is that you can go deeper. You can extract more pages of reviews to get a little better, a little deeper insight and analysis into the sentiment of that location. And I think I'm going to do my next video on that topic, and we'll see how deep I can go with a review. But so far I've got 10 of these demo and tutorial videos showing you just how broad and diverse that RevuIQ can be. And I'm betting that it will help you regardless of, or whichever business you happen to be in, what you might be studying, where you might be traveling. And I hope you'll give RevuIQ a shot and let me know what you think. Leave a comment down below, or you can send me an email directly at support@revuiq.com. Thanks again, and I'll see you guys in the next video.